2020, the Radial Grooving Cycle G86 was fundamentally revised by PAL. What used to require complex calculations of reference points and angles can now be controlled much more easily using just a few parameters. In this video, we'll take a look at 3 different groove types. This gives you a sense of what's possible with the updated cycle. All 3 grooves are executed with machining type H14. That means first grooving, then finishing. The finishing allowance, AK, is set to 0.2 millimeters for a fine finish directly within the cycle. The depth of cut per pass, D, is 2 millimeters for all 3 examples, allowing for multiple precise cuts. The first and largest groove has a depth of 6 millimeters and a width of 10 millimeters. The groove position parameter, LE, is set to 1, meaning outside. The reference point for the XA, ZA coordinates, defined by parameter EP, can represent one of 6 possible positions at the groove entrance or groove base. In this case, it's EP2, meaning the coordinates refer to the left flank at the groove entrance. Both flanks have a radius of 1.5 millimeters. The second groove uses almost the same strategy, but is narrower and shallower. The radii on the flanks left and right are only minus 0.5 millimeters instead of minus 1.5. The groove depth is 3 millimeters, half that of the first groove. The third and final groove is particularly interesting. This time, the reference point is not EP2 but EP3, meaning the coordinates refer to the left base of the groove. The flanks are programmed with AS and AE to be inclined, each at 17 degrees. What do you think? A helpful simplification of the cycle or an unnecessary change? We're curious to hear your thoughts in the comments.